Let's change our front tire first. We're going to take the front wheel off, and then we're going to deflate the tire, and then we're going to use tire levers and our fingers to go in a circle around the rim and pry it off half of the rim, then pry it off the rest of the rim. Take the inner tube out, put it in a different tire here, and we're going to slide half of this tire around the rim, and we're going to pull the valve stem through this hole right there. You see that? And we're going to put the rest of the tire around the other side of the rim, lock it in place so it's ready to go. Put it on the bike, line it up with those brake calipers, and after we tighten these bolts on the side of the axle, we can inflate it to the PSI listed on the side of the tire.